WordPress. We all know how amazing it is when it comes to creating your sites and managing your content. But that doesn't mean it isn't without its flaws. Sure, you can pick from a number of plugins and templates, but what about getting quickly to what you set the site up for in the first place? You know what I'm talking about. Things like content creation, promotion, and money making. Now, if you're a technical person like me, it might take you a bit longer to get all of the settings just right within your WordPress site. But if you're not technical, all I can say is you probably want to cancel all of your appointments if you're going to be customizing your settings on your WordPress site. So what am I talking about exactly? Well, when you're setting up your site, you definitely want to make sure you have Google Analytics integration, privacy and legal terms, customization of categories, the correct permalink structure, and the creation of the Google XML sitemap. And that's not even all of it. You'll need to get your disclosure policy, your About Us page, and also your Contact Us page together as well. And that's still not all of it. See, it's downright frustrating to have to jump from page to page just to get these settings right. And if you have more than one site like I do, then you'll spend quite a bit of time setting things up. And if you're wasting time, then you're wasting money. See, what you need is a simple click solution that will allow you to set things up quickly with no hassle at all. In the past, having all of your settings in one place for your WordPress site was impossible, but not anymore. Introducing WPHyperShift, the incredible WordPress plugin that lets you manage all of your site settings in a few clicks. With WPHyperShift, you can clone your site settings with only one click. Plus, you can install and manage all of your existing plugins in one place with the smart one-click does-it-all install. This plugin will truly save you time, energy, and money. And the best part? It's non-technical and newbie-friendly. Here, let me show you how it works. So once you've installed WPHyperShift on your WordPress blog and you go to that option, you'll see this screen right here. Now you have a number of options that you can customize very quickly with WPHyperShift. For the sake of time and keeping this video short, I'm going to go through them very briefly. So you can change the default category in every fresh install in WordPress or existing WordPress blogs from uncategorized to whatever you want. So this is my cooking blog, so I'm going to change that to cooking. And then I can also, if I want, add up to 5 additional categories. So I'm going to add baking, and I'll add spices, and I'll add one more, and I'll add BBQ or barbecue. Okay. And here's one thing that's a must for my site, and that's changing the permalink structure. So I like to choose custom structure and whatever the post name is. So I'll put that in. And then we'll come down and delete the default hello world post. And then from there, we'll change the tagline from just another WordPress blog to the best cooking site around. Okay. Now here's something that's very important. We can choose to delete all of the links in the blog roll, which some say is the way that WordPress makes some of its money. And we can optionally add a new link. So if I want, I can name that BBQ Grills. And if I want, I can point it to a web page on my site. So I'll put that in and put /BBQ. Okay, here's something that's really great. We can also choose to integrate our blog with Google Analytics, and that way we can see all the website statistics when it comes to our blog. For the sake of time, to keep this video short, I won't go through that process now, but just know it is available to you. And next, we'll create the Google XML sitemap. This can help Google understand our content better on our site. And we can also choose to manage our plugins by using this option here. And if we want, we can put a floating bar message on there and choose the background color like this, and then whatever we want to add. So we can say, welcome to our site. And we can also choose the color of the text right here. For now, I'll leave it as is. And if you want to, you can also upload a custom favicon. That's what you see in the top of the web browsers when you go to a particular site, like PayPal may have one, and Google. And finally, you can choose the settings importer, where you can choose to import any of the previous settings that you saved with WPHyperShift. So I'm going to go ahead and press save, and then from there we'll go to next. Next, we can set up all the pages we need to on our website. So you can see down here we have the legal pages, and with just one click of the mouse we can add all of those pages to our site in an instant. So we can choose our site type, which mine is a health niche site. And then also, if we want, we can create the About Us page and the Contact Us page. Now, if we create the Contact Us page, we would check this box right here, and then we would add all of our business name and information over here in this area. We can choose what country we're from, and then put all the other information in here that's necessary. For the sake of time, I'm going to move past that part, and I'll come down here, and once we're ready, all we have to do is click on HyperShift. And now it will set everything up for us according to our specifications. And as you can see, it has finished configuring our site. How awesome is that? In only a few minutes, we've customized our site. If you want to see more of what this amazing plugin can do, just view the details on this page. So as you can see, WPHyperShift can help you set up your websites in a flash. And with its simple but easy to use settings importer, you'll have more time to focus on what really matters, and that's making money. Now, if you think you're going to have to pawn your firstborn to get a copy of this incredible plugin, then think again. Because for a very limited time, we're offering WPHyperShift for a very low price. And don't worry, because you're also going to be protected by my no hassle and no risk 100% money back guarantee. So there you have it. Just think, with WPHyperShift, you'll never have to go through the boring task of setting up and cloning your sites ever again. And you can do just that with a small and minor investment in WPHyperShift. With all of the incredible features that you'll benefit immensely from, I'm sure you'd agree it's impossible to say no to this incredible limited time offer. So here's what you need to do next. Use the option on this page to grab your copy of WPHyperShift. Once you do, you'll be ready to set up your sites perfectly in no time. And we also have training included right within the members area that will help you breeze through WPHyperShift in no time flat. So go ahead and invest in your copy of WPHyperShift right now. You'll be glad you did.